Yeah. Yes, hello good people, hello good people, hello good people. Say. Alright. Teacher map kana kuti plan. Andika map kana kuti plan. Right. So lobata ma past exam questions that nongati now. Andika dotili timati. So chatanga chitanga pamene plan andika mufana bata zvinhu zvinosanganisira izvo chekutanga iri pamene chinofana kubata iwo ndechekuziva kuti maunits, for example centimeters to meters, the relationship between centimeters and meters is 100. So 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. Then tine also meters to kilometers. Then kilometers to what? Meters to kilometers in 1,000. 1,000 meters is equals to 1 kilometer. Then tine centimeters kusvika kuma kilometers. And the relationship between centimeters and meters is 100,000. So you should take note of these units of what? Measurement. Then another important thing to note on is when converting, moving from bigger to smaller, moving from bigger to smaller, moving from bigger to smaller, we multiply. Bigger to smaller, we multiply by the relationship. Then also moving from smaller to bigger. Moving from smaller to bigger, we divide by the relationship. Though the most important things are definitely kuziwa kumachi pama next page. Okay, so that's for my questions. Timbona kuti zviri kufamba sei, zvinoanzika sei. Hapana chinodinaka, hapana chinonetsana. Panopera lesson iyi unofana kunge wakuziva kuti zviri kufamba sei. So we are given 2 centimeters to 5 meters in form of 1:n. Wapo wewe kuti 2 centimeters is to 5 meters in form of 1:n. 1:n zvinova kuti 1 centimeter representing n centimeters. That means map is always drawn in centimeters. For instance, 1:2,000. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter iri kumirira 200 centimeters per the actual ground. Ndio yati map kana kuti kana kuti plan. Kana plan emba inodrowa ine mauna ine scale 1:something 1:500 zvorezo kuti 1 centimeter iri pamap iri kumirira 500 centimeters on the actual ground. So isusu we are being asked kuti isusu to express 2 centimeters is to 5 meters, 2 centimeters is to 5 meters. So the form of 1:n. Long dress is zviri kuma centimeters. Saka chicha kauziya kanapa. Tikaziya the relationship between centimeters and what? And meters. Want to know the relationship between centimeters and meters. So what's the relationship now? Tokuti isusu muma centimeters. Mumita muna centimeters mangani. Nowira kuti mune chi. Mune 100. So 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. So I thought these are 5 meters. To maintain my centimeters. So we're going to multiply. We're moving from bigger to smaller. But these are 5 meters against my centimeters. So this multiply this relationship. kuti 2 centimeters is to 95 unamultiply nani na 100 andika saka takuti 2 centimeters is to 5 times 100 we get 500 that's in form of 1 is to n andika saka chagadzana napa na 2 apa na 2 andika tayakuti 1 centimeter representing 250 centimeters andika so in form of 1 is to n taungoti it's 1 is to 250. That's the scale of the 2 centimeters is to 5 meters in form of 1 is to n, and number 1 is to 250. That is 5 meters. When come centimeters goes to 1 is to n. To put it also, this is centimeters. 1 centimeter represents n centimeters. Those sakatani that what they say Baba. So that's what the relationship between centimeters and meters is 100. So you can convert 5 meters into centimeters. So we are moving from bigger to smaller. So we're going to multiply by the relationship. And because 1 meter is equals 100 centimeters. So we multiply na 5 times 100 to get 500 centimeters. So that's the form of 1 is to n. So that's the na 2. What's it na 2? So I have 1 is to 250. And don't bother. What I saw, unongwato dini unongwato pesa. Question in mna ZIMSEC November 2012. November 2012 andika ZIMSEC. Okay. So titende pani chimwe chikamu. Panerewa nemibvunzo ipapo kuti taenda mberi. Panerewa nemibvunzo. Any questions guys? Any questions? It's your birthday. Happy birthday Louise. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Next question. Right, so next question. I say on a map, 2 centimeters represents a distance of 5 kilometers. That's the question. All right. So we are asked to express the scale of map, giving your answer in form of 1 is to n. Okay, that's 2 marks for that one. Then part B of the question: calculate the area of the map in what? In centimeter squared, which represents actual area of 4 kilometer squared. Okay, so that's the question. So this question is from June 2020 ZIMSEC. Okay, that's the question from June 2020 ZIMSEC. Okay, guys. So we are given on a map 2 centimeters represent a distance of 5 kilometers. Okay, so according to our scale, it says that 2 centimeters is representing 5 kilometers on the actual ground. Meaning to say 2 centimeters on the map is representing 5 kilometers on the actual ground. Okay, so we are asked to express the scale of the map given your answer in form of 1 is to n. So 1 is to n is simply means we're going to express our scale in form of 1 centimeter represents n centimeters. Okay, so what are we going to do? The first stage is to know the relationship between centimeters and kilometers. So the relationship now is they are 100 There are 100,000 centimeter in a what? In a kilometer. Are we together? There are 100,000 centimeters in a kilometer. So we're going to convert 5 kilometers into centimeters. So we're going to multiply with the relationship because we want to convert kilometers to centimeters. So we are moving from bigger to smaller. So we're going to multiply 5 kilometers.